Now let's talk some little bit basics around what exactly is Lean, what is Kanban and Agile and their relationship. Lean is the mother of Agile, mother of Kanban. If you look at Lean, it inherently came from Toyota Production System in the manufacturing. Lean is the American name for Toyota Production System. Kanban and Lean work together. That's how Toyota Production System used it from the manufacturing point of view. But today, if you look at Kanban, it has been much made for IT-enabled services, including software development by David J. Anderson, which is being used very much now. Now let's look at Lean, Kanban and Agile and the kind of relationship among these three. Lean is the origin of Agile and Kanban. Lean, if you look at, it's from Toyota Production System. The American name of Toyota Production System is Lean. Kanban inherently is a subset of Lean and a more direct representation of Lean in the sense that it has been very much used in the manufacturing in Toyota Production System. Again, Kanban is modeled for software development and IT-enabled services by David J. Anderson as a model of Kanban that is used in the industry today, in the IT-enabled industry, Agile inherently is iterative and incremental model which inherits Lean traits and Lean principles in it. If you look at Agile, it's used as an umbrella term to represent various flavors of Agile that include Scrum, Kanban, Extreme Programming, Kanban combined with Scrum called Scrumban, Feature-Driven Development, Adaptive Software Development, Agile Unified Process and various other flavors of Agile. So Agile is used as an umbrella term to represent various flavors of Agile. Agile by default is iterative and incremental in nature. So requirements and solutions evolve through collaborative effort among the stakeholders, self-organizing teams, cross-functional teams, and the end users and the customers who essentially are going to use this software. So some traits of Agile, if you look at, they inherit adaptive planning, evolutionary development, early delivery has to be there in Agile, continuous improvement exists in Agile, and Agile is meant for rapid response to the changes in the market and market needs. Look at Scrum, for example. Scrum is derived from the new product development. That is an article published in Harvard Business Review by two Japanese professors called Takuchi and Nanuka, and lean thinking plus iterative and incremental approaches. So Scrum is derived essentially from the new product development article, the lean thinking and iterative and incremental models. Whereas Kanban is a linear model. However, when I say linear model, it's a flow based and you can inherently use iterations within the flow. Kanban is a change management method also. At the same time, Kanban can be used to adapt into the systems delivery and service delivery models too. We'll detail these in our next detailed curriculum.